Hi, let's see how we start a 20-day trial if you didn't already purchase a permanent license. Double-click the application. When you see this window, click Try. Enter your user ID and password. If you didn't already created your user ID, please visit iloc.com and create one. Check Remember Me and click Next. In this window, you can choose to store your license to the iLoc cloud. I'll choose No and save it locally. The application will now start and you have 20-day full access to all 4 members of the ER Media ToolKit. That's it, you're all set. Once in a while, when you open the application, it will give you a fair warning about the status of your trial license. You can just click Continue. When you purchase a permanent license, please make sure you install the iLoc License Manager, enter your user ID and password, click Remember and sign in to your account, where you will find your license and be able to activate it to any device of your choosing.